program, Place Called Connecticut, Part 4. I'm on foot, obviously, and showing you what it looks like moving through Harbor Street. Check it out. Normally I'll bike to this event. This year I've decided to take the walk.
Are we? Okay.
I want to give you a heads up.
Yeah, thanks. Watch out, just move over a little bit. Stand up.
Wow, what kind of horn was that? This guy needs his flashers on. He should have had his flashers on when he's traveling with walkers. PTP, that's a PTP. Look at this, I'm under the trees. Check it out, Branford is on fire. Woo! In a place called Connecticut. We're getting closer. I want to say hello to all of my New York Rangers out there. How are ya? And their fans. Branford is the scene of July 4th fireworks on June 21st, the first day of summer. What a way to celebrate. It couldn't be any better than this, ladies and gentlemen. Get with the program.